up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Some of G's them right about now, you don't know say it's the next episode, cause this is not a vlog. This is the next episode. Me see me do some reaction video from Woody and una actually dig them, una like them. And I love the response and una say more. Cause me read in the comment and me see una say una want more video like this. So una don't know say today me have a next one for go. You know what I mean? Me just go deal with one today. This one different. It's kind of some animal. All while me had to carry an accident and lucky people. Right now on some close call with animal. So yeah, we just gonna jump into the video today and you're out the door a rain right now. Today is actually Thursday and them say hurricane for reach Florida Saturday. So we are gonna see. Yeah, but no more talking right now. We just gonna jump right into the video and see what go on. So I guess we'll start off strong.
Oh, the bear's right next to us.
Oh, it's a bear. Me nah, this one. Watch out, watch out. Yo, me no know. Yo, people braving on a white people, you know, 'cause you can see the white hand in the mirror and the window down. Camera, yeah, you zoom in on the lion. Lion just a walk about in business, you know. Look how lion look like a scar. You know, a wicked one in a Lion King, watch out. Alright. Oh, yeah. And then wind up window like that could have stopped him. If the lion did you want the window, they couldn't stop him. Me nah do them some here, no lion, even lion. Some weird. Watch out, watch out. Yo, is a bear around? Watch out. Dog, you better pedal, brother. Yeah, man, him a do road now. Bomba can still run him down. You better do road. He can't still run it down, dog. He can't still run it down. There's no way the beard is. He still run him down. He hungry. Rotted. Roadblock. Mike, why you never lift up a bicycle and then ride off? Watch out. Dog. No, you don't know Wayne there. Watch him, man. No, you want to run?
Yeah, I can see it. In
lucky. If video uploads, I guess either they find the body and upload the video.
Look at this bear. Just outside the door.
Might and people them just look like. Oh, them well, them the inside, so.
Look at this bear.
Damn.
Oh my gosh. That bear's right here.
Yo, that big, you know? Who the? Well, I know somebody that don't go so.
I'm a very ranger, yeah.
Oh, him know him. He must know him. Watch out. You me feel like I'm in the beard there for like a while. Watch out. Yo. What? Yo, what him there? Oh, pig. I them see him some there, so then that run me jump off in a gully, you know. When me tell him say me jump off in a river, I see him suddenly could pig there out there. Watch out. Wait, who them pig are there out in the snow? The video there is just weird. How are this? This look like one peacock. Yes, no, yes, no. Yes, He must, yes. Yes, yes. Dog, you even a back down. You ain't not back down, you know? And man just a kick him in the chest. You don't know say them something that run here down and do all of them something, eh? What that? Oh yeah, it's stuck in a something. A pig. It's a fox. It's a fox. Swiper. Swiper, no swiping. And what am I tell him say? And what you going for? Gotcha. Yo, the man send him for liquor and him going forward back. Yeah man, him a frighten him. Watch out. Him polar beard, so when they look possessed. This one here look like him hungry. Bombard. And him wild. Watch it. Stalk him. Watch it. Yo, there's no way. You don't have a chance if something like that if you attack you in a while, you know. Watch this, brother. Yeah. Watch out. Yo, if you tell the truth, moon even there right there so near to the glass. Because, watch out. Yo, me not nowhere near them something near glass in either, you know, me no business. How thick the glasses are what? Watch out. Dinner one you for you. Watch out. All them big old trunks up me. Watch out. Watch out. This a brother here just fly up on the mirror like oil, you mad? Too much of them mirror for there, man. Skip off them something. More see video in a while. Bomba. The brother there is suicidal like oil. It's a monkey. Watch out, making in teeth. A friend the one they want. Look in favor of me when me look a bit. What monkey see, monkey do, watch out.
Don't put your tongue on it for real, okay?
The whole video you can't be animal in a cage like this. Me expect more wild thing and watch it. All of them have be animal in a behind glass and him so. I don't want to see this. I want to see something get run down. People get run down and that I want to see. I don't want to see this. Kuya, me no want to see this, dogs. Me no want to see this. How are this, man? Yes, this look like you out the door now. But look how big and fat.
Oh, so impressive. So good. Hello. Hi.
And he catch it too?
Yeah.
I ain't ever did that. Yeah, me disappointed in that video. No, sir, me disappointed in that video. Yo, me think, you see the way it start off, me think people are gonna get nyam. Man, me disappointed in that video. Me Jesus, what is? Yo, me just upload the video. Me go search for next one right now. I'm gonna get it later. What is this? To the video start off nice, me swear think people are gonna get nyam. Shark are gonna attack people. I'll be able to zoo. Yeah, me just upload this and get it. Big up on yourself.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God them, I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.